Hello, this is Shep and Nick here at the Sun Valley Auto Club, and today we are showing you a 1989 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. This one does have the 5.9 V8, and it has just under 61,000 original miles. So this is a very, very original car, but it's seen a lot of upgrades to mechanical, body and paint, and we'll go through there. But you can just see how tight that front grille is. All your bright work is nice, it's not dinged up. We've had lots and lots of these Wagoneers throughout the years. This is by far the nicest one that we've ever had. And it's a really unusual color. We get so many reds and the tans and the beiges. And then this one, what color we got here, Nick?
Dover gray.
Dover gray. So we'll get into the mechanicals, but one thing that's interesting is let you just know how nice this car has always been. That's original paint on top, and so when they've put on the new vinyl, it's just been painted from basically the windows down. Kill that right there. So hood's been painted, new vinyl, new adhesives are on, and you can just see how tight all that work is. So this guy has owned it. The last owner owned it from 2014 on. He's got $4,500 in receipts on just mechanical, and then I don't have receipts for the body and paint, but another armor leg there with tires, paint, body, etc. And really low paint meter readings down below. So this has lived in dry climates, not in a rust zone. We've got photos of the underside, and the paint work doesn't show any high bondo, just shows repaint levels, which is really nice. So some of these service records we'll just take a quick glance at. Obviously we're not going to get it on video. I can scan these in and send them on, but you know, just all mechanical stuff. And the last, what was the most recent one?
It was in October.
Yep. And $2,800, another 807, another $1,000 there. So that's a major major tune-up, distributor, etc. Fuel tank. They've done blowers, switches, window switches, speakers, etc. We can go into all that, but this is, I guess the point is, it's a really well sorted rig, not only cosmetically but mechanically as well. You'll notice the rear wiper's off. When we open up the back, we'll show you that wiper. We've just got to get that installed. But really, there's just not a bad side to the car. No door dings, no dents, and the paint match to that top to the bottom is really, really sharp as well. So nice looking car, bumper to bumper. The interior is original, so it's like 60,900 some miles on this. The auto check also shows that mileage kind of throughout its history.
And there's those really low miles, under 61,000 from 1989, so it's in really good shape.
And it's with the factory paint on the roof, we can tell this car's not just been sat outside. It's always been babied and cared for, and that shows up from that steering wheel. All the original cover and stitching is there. No cracks on the dash. All the seats are original. The carpet's really nice. Your door cards are phenomenal with amazing bright work. Just no scuffs or scratches. Just one of the nicer examples we've seen. So the rear window is fixed. You've got your interior control on the dash that lowers that, and then the key also works that rear window as well, so you can get in and use the latch. So just a windshield cover there, and then some extra vinyl if you ever need it, and that wiper arm as well. Do have a little bit of carpet damage in the rear. We'll point that out. That's all original. It just must have gotten caught up, but the rest of it I'll let Nick show you.
Yep, so pretty average wear and tear there. Nothing too critical. Really tight headliner. I'll try to get the lighting there from the back to the front. Try to get the zoom. Sorry about that, running some difficulties. There we go.
And all the glass is really nice, not scratched up, chipped up, and that goes to the windshield as well as your side greenhouse. All your door latches are completely functional. Body gaps are nice. We'll start up the engine and have a listen, and then we'll run through some of the systems, lights, signals, etc. And those service records can be available on request if you want to see specifically what was done. I did see a new radiator in there as well, and that's visible.
So headlights work, high beams, low beams, left blinker, right blinker, go around back.
Interior lights, show that off. Those have been converted to LEDs.
So check out the interior lights.
So those open with the dome. You've got two back here, two map lights up front that work. Your rear dome works, footwell lights work. And while we're right here, we'll just show off your power lock and unlock.
Those windows.
Windows. And across the way. And then passenger as well. So power windows all work. Here's running lights in the rear.
So we got our running lights. Got our brake lights. Left blinker. Right blinker. And those reverse lights all work very well.
So work was done on the blower motors. So that's all working. All your gauges are sharp and clear. Your selector for your transmission, it hits on every level. Roads are a little sloppy out right now. Later in the spring, if this lasts this long, we can always jump in and do a test drive video. We've driven it around a little bit, and it's the Ketchum Cadillac. If you're looking to drive around in your living room couch, this would be, with four-wheel drive, this would be the car to do it in. So we've got lots and lots of photos, videos. Nick and I are available for questions. We can help out with what airport to fly in or shipping. We ship all over the world. I'm Shep. I can be reached at 721-1973.
Or you can reach out to Nick at 563-676-8225. All right, thanks.